Today, we're going to do a walk around of our 22,000-pound bumper pull dump trailer. This model is available in 16, 18, 20, and 22-foot lengths. Starting up in the front, we have a 4-hole adjustable panel hitch that allows you to adjust the height of your trailer evenly to your truck to ensure the trailer rides evenly down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam tongue, which wraps into and is integrated into the main frame of the trailer. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains and emergency breakaway switch, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers in the industry. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Now on the center of the tongue, you'll find the locking pump box that houses the dual high-capacity marine-grade batteries. These power the electric over hydraulic pump, which is controlled by a 15-foot quarter remote. Now, one of the main features of the pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses battery instead of gravity to make sure the bed comes down. This is important in cold climates and in the winter season. Without this feature, your dump bed can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperatures. Another important standard feature on this trailer is the onboard 8-amp battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you simply lift the weatherproof cover on the front of the box and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord into the charging port to recharge the batteries. Once a full charge is detected, the charger will turn off and not overcharge the batteries. Note that we use a larger 8-amp charger as standard equipment on all our dump trailers. This gives you a faster charging time than the 3.5-amp chargers often used by other trailers in the industry. On either side of the pump box, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all of our larger dump trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power. This makes it easier when connecting and disconnecting from your vehicle. Moving to the side of the trailer, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam mainframe. This large frame gives you maximum support and stability for a trailer of this size. Underneath the trailer, you'll find a dual 4-inch cylinder hoist system. Some people ask, which is better, scissor lift or dual ram? Each has their own application. We offer both, and in the end, we let you, the customer, decide which is better for you. But we found the dual cylinder system to have a little bit more power. That's why we've made it the standard hoist system on our dump trailers. Next, the sides of the trailer come standard at 48 inches tall and are reinforced. The top rail is made of heavy wall tubing to help preserve the integrity even under severe use. Also, on the rails, you have stake pockets standard so that you can raise the side height if you need to. For running gear, this trailer has heavy-duty 10,000-pound axles and suspension, which includes 4-inch brakes on all 4 hubs for maximum stopping power under load. This trailer rolls on 8 premium 10-ply radial tires on dual 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. You also have an option for an available mounted spare tire and wheel, which mounts on the front of the trailer. Around to the back of the trailer, the first thing you'll notice are the standard barn doors, which feature a door latching system, which is lockable for extra security. The doors open and latch back to the side of the trailer for dumping your material and allowing you to easily load equipment with the optional steel ramps. We also offer optional upgraded aluminum ramps that are available in 5-foot and 9-foot lengths. They are as strong as steel, yet only half the weight. Also standard on this model are the 6 D-rings welded solidly to the bed, allowing you to secure any equipment you transport in your trailer. Another important standard feature is that almost all moving points on the trailer have grease zerks for easy lubrication and years of trouble-free use. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with the full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic and enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The inside bed of the trailer is about 95 inches wide. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We appreciate you taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 22,000-pound bumper pull dump trailer.